Okay, thank you. I just want to make sure you're okay with that.
Well, it's nice and clean back there now. So.
Yeah, no, it's clean.
Yesterday you probably would have said not right now.
Okay. It was looking okay. Hello, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this LG oven that you can see. My customer's complaint was that it doesn't reach proper temperature. It's made by LG. You can see on display. Here's the model number. That's the model and serial number tag. So the reason that this unit was not reaching the temperature was this big relay was defective on it. So this is a new control board I got for this customer. 15 screws at the back of the panel that you can take all of those screws off from all corners, and make sure the unit is unplugged before you work on it. I'm gonna take this one. And there's two small hooks on the back panel that goes here and there, and you can see on the panel itself that hook is looking like that. So the back panel is off. As a technician, the first thing I check when my customers are complaining about oven not heating properly, I check their bake element and broil element. So this was my bake element. I disconnected one of the wires from here. I checked for continuity. The bake element was okay. Here's my broil element. I checked my broil element with multimeter for continuity. It was good too. And then I got to the temperature sensor, which is located here. This is the temperature sensor. You can disconnect this like that, and you'll check this temperature sensor on room temperature. You're gonna have 1100 ohms, 1080 or 1100 ohms, and I checked that the temperature was okay. So I'll put this back. And the second part I checked was, am I really getting voltage 240 volts when I select the bake element on the bake element or not. I was still getting 240 volts. I was getting 240 volts on the broil. So the question is why the oven was still not heating properly. When I turned it on, I actually smelled something. Before I did more testings, I smelled a burning, and then what I did was I checked this relay board, and on the relay board I checked this relay. You can see this one. This gives power to the bake element. This was getting hot, and it was smelling too, a burning smell. So I found out that this relay was, when it was getting hot, the relay was not opening and closing properly. So I had to replace this board. The Christmas is on the way, so I don't want my customers to wait for this relay to do the repair on this one. I can even show you the relay how it looks here. I've repaired couple LG ovens with this problem, which is very common on these. The unit is unplugged, so if you look at this relay board, actually I'm gonna replace the new one, and then I will show you how this one looks, how this relay board works. So the reason I didn't replace this relay here, because my control board was also overheated from this area, and I will show you on the old one. You can see the back element wire. I cannot see any damage on the board, but this relay was defective, and I've replaced a lot of relays like this. Here's the part number. The part number on this one is T as a Tango 9 Alpha Sierra number 1 Delta 22-12 or 12. You can find this from eBay, Amazon, or DigiKey, and these relays are about $5-6. You can replace that relay, and that will take care of the problem. But again, the reason I replaced this board, because I had problem here, and I also had problem here. The board was overheated. The price of these boards are around $122. So the new control board is installed on the unit, and that will take care of the problem. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.